While vacationing at the beach, the girl discovered something strange. Her earring had vanished without a trace. She initially thought it had slipped from her hand and fallen into the sea, but then her best friend, acting unusually eager, stripped off her clothes and then plunged into the ocean without hesitation. She intended to retrieve the earring, but seconds later, eerie sounds emerged from the sea, accompanied by a surge of hot air. When the girl turned around, the water seemed to be boiling, releasing terrifying steam. Only when she looked down did she realize her friend had stopped breathing. No matter how loudly the girl screamed from above, her friend remained motionless, floating lifelessly in the sea. Yet the girl still hadn't realized the terrifying catastrophe about to engulf the entire sea. Like boiling water, the boat instantly descended into chaos. Amidst the bickering crowd, the hull suddenly began to shatter. Days later, a family of 4 arrived at the same vacation spot. Their island, Volcano Island, had witnessed multiple eruptions over centuries, yet this did little to deter tourists drawn to its fame. Jeff and Daisy brought their 2 children to join the fun, booking an island villa with stunning ocean views. Strangely, while packing clothes, their daughter discovered an earring. After Jeff examined it, they realized it clearly didn't belong to their family. They didn't dwell on its origin. Little did they know the terrifying disaster that would unfold just days into their trip. Meanwhile, drawn by the island's highly researchable volcanic activity, 2 geologists were exploring the area. To detect signs of an impending eruption, they needed to locate naturally formed caves to calculate the eruption timeline. But strangely, as soon as they entered the cave, droplets began falling from the walls. The female geologist had never witnessed such a phenomenon, as volcanic caves rarely exhibited this behavior. She quickly retrieved her backpack to collect the droplets. Meanwhile, the male geologist noticed something peculiar. The floor was littered with animal carcasses. Upon closer inspection, they appeared to be numerous bats. This was strange. Bats typically inhabited caves. He quickly activated his testing equipment and discovered alarmingly high levels of carbon dioxide within the cave, likely the cause of the bat's demise. The pair pressed onward, but when they looked up, they saw a massive crack in the cave ceiling. It appeared as if the rock had been struck by some force, causing it to split apart. This indicated the volcanic island was likely shifting. Meanwhile, the director of the Geological Bureau remained deeply concerned. The volcanic island frequently erupted, placing immense responsibility on his shoulders. Yet upon arriving at his office, he discovered a newspaper reporting the recent yacht incident. The vessel still drifted, but all aboard had perished. The director grasped the gravity of the situation.